Are you a seasoned welder or just starting out in the welding world? One of the most essential pieces of equipment you'll need is a welding helmet. A good helmet not only keeps you safe but also enhances your performance. Today we are diving into the world of welding helmets, featuring 7 top-notch options that will protect your eyes and improve your welding experience. Let's get started with True Color Welding Helmet. This helmet is one of the most impressive helmets on the market, and for good reason. This helmet is designed to deliver superior clarity and a true color viewing experience, unlike traditional helmets which can distort the colors and visibility of your work area. This one keeps everything natural and true to life. It significantly reduces eye strain, allowing you to work longer and more comfortably. The quality of this helmet is outstanding, boasting a durable build that can handle daily use in a variety of work environments. Its auto-darkening technology provides quick response times, ensuring that your eyes are protected from bright flashes. The wide viewing area gives you a clear view of your work, making precision easier to achieve. In terms of usability, the YESWELDER helmet is very user-friendly. It has easy-to-reach controls that allow you to adjust the shade sensitivity and delay settings to your preference. The lightweight design and comfortable headgear make it suitable for long working hours without causing strain on your neck. At number 2, we have TOOLIOM True Color Welding Helmet. This helmet is a fantastic option for those seeking a high-quality helmet without breaking the bank. Its true color technology enhances visibility and reduces eye strain, giving you a clear and more accurate view of your workpiece. This makes it easier to achieve precise welds and helps you work more efficiently. The helmet's design is both functional and ergonomic. It features an adjustable headgear that ensures a snug and comfortable fit, which is crucial during long welding sessions. The auto-darkening filter reacts quickly to changing light conditions, protecting your eyes from bright flashes. The lens also has multiple settings for shade, sensitivity and delay, allowing you to customize your experience to suit your specific needs. One standout feature of the TOOLIOM helmet is its large viewing area. This is a game changer for welders who want to keep an eye on their surroundings while focusing on their work. The broader field of view not only enhances safety but also boosts productivity by making it easier to monitor your work environment. Next up at number 3, we have ARCCAPTAIN Large Viewing Welding Helmet. This helmet is designed to give welders an exceptional experience with its innovative features and large viewing area. This helmet's impressive viewing size allows you to see more of your workpiece and surroundings, offering a greater sense of control and safety during your welding projects. The auto-darkening filter in the ARCCAPTAIN helmet is one of the best in its class, offering fast response times and a wide range of shade settings to suit different welding applications. This ensures your eyes are protected while providing you with a clear view of your work. Additionally, the helmet's true color technology enhances your visibility, reducing eye strain and improving your overall welding experience. Comfort is key with the ARCCAPTAIN helmet. Its adjustable headgear is designed to fit various head sizes and shapes, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods. The lightweight construction ensures your neck isn't strained during long welding sessions. The helmet's controls are also user-friendly, allowing you to adjust the settings with ease. The number 4 position is held by DEKORPO Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. This helmet is a reliable option for welders seeking a helmet with excellent performance and value. This helmet boasts advanced auto-darkening technology that quickly adjusts to changing light conditions, protecting your eyes and allowing you to focus on your work. The DEKORPO helmet features an ergonomic design that prioritizes comfort and usability. Its adjustable headgear ensures a comfortable fit for various head sizes and shapes, making it ideal for long working hours. The helmet's controls are easy to access and operate, allowing you to adjust the shade, sensitivity and delay settings to your liking. One notable aspect of the DEKORPO helmet is its effectiveness in a range of welding applications. The helmet's lens offers multiple shade settings to accommodate different types of welding, from MIG to TIG and everything in between. The clear viewing area provides you with a sharp view of your work, making precision easier to achieve. The number 5 position is dominated by SONNLER Large Viewing Welding Helmet. This helmet is a game changer when it comes to visibility and protection. The first thing you will notice is the massive viewing area it offers, which makes it easier to see your work and adjust your position as needed. This expansive view is made possible thanks to the 4C lens technology, offering clarity and color recognition. In terms of usability, and SONNLER helmet features adjustable sensitivity and delay settings, allowing you to customize the helmet to your specific needs. This customization ensures a smoother and more comfortable welding experience. Whether you are a professional or a hobbyist, these options make the helmet versatile and user-friendly. The helmet also boasts a lightweight design, reducing strain on your neck during long welding sessions. The quality materials used in its construction make it durable and reliable for regular use. Additionally, the helmet is equipped with auto darkening technology that quickly adapts to challenging light conditions, protecting your eyes from harmful rays. Safety is at the forefront of the SONNLER design. Its helmet meets safety standards and includes a full face shield for extra protection. Overall, SONNLER large viewing welding helmet is a top choice for welders looking for a high quality, easy to use helmet with excellent visibility. Next up at number 6, we have YESWELDER Panoramic View Welding Helmet, which stands out for its impressive panoramic lens. This helmet offers an expansive viewing area, providing an almost 180-degree field of vision. This increased visibility allows you to work more comfortably and safely without needing to constantly adjust your position. The helmet's optical clarity is top-notch, making it easier to see the weld pool and your surroundings. This level of clarity can make a significant difference in your overall welding experience, helping you produce cleaner and more precise welds. When it comes to usability, the YESWELDER helmet doesn't disappoint. It features an auto darkening filter with adjustable sensitivity and delay settings, allowing you to customize the helmet to your specific welding tasks. This flexibility ensures a seamless and efficient welding process. The helmet is designed with comfort in mind, featuring a lightweight shell and a cushioned headband for a better fit. The ergonomic design choices help reduce fatigue during extended use. Moreover, the helmet is built to last with durable materials that can withstand the vices of welding work. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have Lincoln Electric Viking.
Comments below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more welding tips and reviews.